The crew must set we free. Sometimes I know they bad, but sometimes me I know they see. But Charlie, freedom not be free.
Hey bosses, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tokslabossmua. So if today is your first time stopping by, OMG, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Go ahead and hit it. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on your notification button so every time I upload you can be first to know. Come on, you already know, But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this video. So today is pretty much gonna be my March monthly favorites. I haven't done this in a minute.
One life to live, but that's when me I go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me no turn on me hard. Man live without limit. Man in it to win it. Live without limit.
Yes, I'm rocking my hair. I told you guys I definitely like this hair for my monthly favorites. It's definitely going to be one of my monthly favorite. And if you haven't checked out this video yet, I'm going to leave it down in the link below because I definitely did a wig review on this wig. Oh, I love this wig so much. Anyway, I did do a wig review, so I won't get all into it. So if you want to know more about this wig, do not forget to go down in the description below. That would be really dope if you could do that for me. So my first item for the month of March is definitely going to be, okay bosses, you guys know that I was talking a whole lot of stuff on this thing right here. It's really dope. And it's actually Marlboro Pro Glow Kit, Baked Highlight and Illuminator. And I love it so much, and it looks just like this if you haven't seen it. I kind of did it in my contour video. That was like my first time actually like using it on camera, and so far for this whole month I've been really using it and I really love it a lot. And can you believe I got this little thing right here with 3 things in it: Illuminator, Baked, and Highlight. Oh my gosh, I got this for only $5 bosses from Five Below. OMG, Five Below is really like a heaven sent, I would say. Like I never really knew that they had makeup and stuff in there because I usually used to always get like workout gear and everything like that. Once I found out they had like makeup, lashes, and everything like that, I definitely swarmed in there. Like I was like, you know what, the cheaper the better. I ain't trying to spend extra coin on makeup, you know what I mean? Like I love makeup and everything, but if I could save $1 or $2, I'm definitely down for that. So that was definitely a plus, bosses. I was definitely on for that. So I definitely love this. I'm gonna leave it in the link below. So if you like this month favorite, you can definitely check out the link below. It's definitely gonna be in there for you bosses. Definitely one of my favorites. So I'm gonna give this Marlboro Pro Kit Glow Kit 5. Well, you know what, not 5. Let's give this Glow Kit 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up for this Glow Kit, because for $5 the highlight is definitely popping. I'm wearing it right now on my face. I don't know if you can see the highlight bosses, but it is beamy. It is beamy and I really love it. So my second item on my list, bosses, is definitely loose powder. I really love it. As you can see, it looks really white in the bottle. I don't know if you bosses can see it. It looks really white and it's definitely decent. I forgot how much I bought it for. I think like what, $20 or $25. If I'm not sure, I will leave it in the link below. But I really love this translucent powder. I'm definitely used to using Laura Mercier powder, so for me to give this powder a go was a really challenge. But after I started really using it like that, and I realized that I really fell in love with it and I really love it. It definitely makes my makeup look really decent, because I do have it all over my face right now, and I do believe it did set my pores. Ooh, my makeup, it just looks brilliant. It just looks amazing. So I will say that this definitely get 2 thumbs up as well for my monthly favorites, because I'm definitely feeling this. If you would like to try this loose setting powder, you should definitely hit the link below, because it's definitely going to be in there waiting for you guys. Check it out, try it out, leave a comment below, let me know if you did try it out and how it did for you. We really appreciate that. That'd be really dope. So yes, that's my second March monthly favorite. So let's hop into the third one. This third one might be a little bit shocking for you bosses, because considering the fact that yes, I do makeup and I am a makeup artist, I definitely consider myself as a makeup artist. Trust me, I don't look like this every day. it's all makeup. It does the trick and I love it and I do it. So at the end of the day, this is something that I never ever really tried. I'm not gonna lie, I never tried this before. This is actually, I'm surprised I didn't do a first impression because I felt like it just didn't need it, because everybody have already used this thing before, which would be the MAC Prep and Prime. Can you believe this? Can you bosses believe that I never used this stuff before? I've always seen all my beauty gurus always using it, and I'm like, I don't want to spend any more coin, you know what I mean? So I was like, you know what, let me try it. My friend was like, oh, you should try this. This is ridiculous that you haven't tried this before. Like, you're a makeup artist. Everybody tried this. Everybody's using it. You need to get on board. So I was like, why not? Like, I need to spend another money. But yeah, if I can remember, I think this was like, what, $20, $25. This thing is really dope. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel like it's dope because, let's be realistic, every time I do my makeup, my face looks really dewy and really matted. And then just to take all the powdery look off my face, I feel like once I use this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, oh my god, it's just banging as hell. It make my whole makeup just come together, like right now. Can you tell I used it? Can you tell? I don't know if you can tell, but I can, because my makeup look dope. It's hell. Oh, Prep Plus Prime by MAC. So I think it was like 25 bucks. But if I'm wrong, bosses, don't quote unquote me on here. But I will definitely leave this down in the link below if you already don't have this, because I'm sure everybody and their mom probably have it. I think I was the only one that just wasn't onto it. But yeah, it's kind of shocking, but not shocking. Like, sometimes, I'm not even gonna lie to you bosses, some of the products is just by name and they're hyped up for the name pretty much. Like e.l.f. primer can definitely do the trick, if you know what I mean. There's so many other primers out here that can definitely fix plus your makeup and do the trick for you, but it just goes to show you, it's just what you like, your preference, and what works for you really. Like I always say, makeup is a one size fit all, but it's what works for you may not work for somebody else, so you just gotta do what you gotta do. But definitely trying this was definitely dope, and I will be purchasing more again because I like what it does and I like how it performed. So no doubt, I'll definitely give this 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Alright bosses, now we're gonna get into some serious matter. Well, I wouldn't say it's serious matter, but bosses, I'm just gonna let you guys in on some of the books that I've been reading lately. I know you're like, books? Girl, what? Books? Yeah bosses, books. If you're not a reading person, you can definitely download, I think, audiobooks. I really do enjoy audiobooks because sometimes when I do not want to read, I go on audiobooks and they pretty much read the whole damn book to me, and I love it. Sometimes you just don't want to read, bosses. You just don't want to read, and I feel you. But if you do feel like reading, I'm going to give you guys a basic book that I read every day, monthly, and it definitely helps me get through life and whatever I'm feeling. And I definitely think this book is dope.com. You guys need to copy it. It might be a bit off topic, but whatever. Since Easter is coming, I thought I'd share one of my favorite books with you bosses. There you go, right here. So the name of the book is Trusting God Day by Day. So pretty much it's a monthly book, and it goes into January, February, March, April, May, like so forth and so forth. And every day has 365 daily devotion in it, and it's by Joyce Myers, and is the #1 New York Times best-selling author, they say. This is how she looks, if you can really see her face on here. But I'll leave the book probably up here. Everything that I'm showing you bosses, I'm going to leave them up here, like a big picture of her. I'm going to try to do that for you bosses so you can see what I'm talking about. And it looks like this. The book looks like this. It's pretty good. It's a pretty decent book. I really love it a lot. It definitely gets me through life when I'm feeling down. And when I read some of the scriptures in there, I definitely know that God is on my side. Like, no matter what anybody wants to say to me, like, God has always had my back, and he's always going to have my back. And every time I read this day by day, well, Trusting God Day by Day, it definitely works for me. So if you're the type of person, if you're going through something and you just need something to motivate you, I suggest you hop on this book and get it. It's really dope. I don't quite remember how much I paid for it. Probably like Now I don't feel like going into my Amazon Prime right now to check it out right now on camera. So I'm going to leave the link below, and I'm most likely going to leave the pricing of it up here. This is how much it costs. So the next item that I'm going to get into is another book, bosses. And I started reading this book, you know, after I read my daily devotion, of course. I usually read it like when I have downtime, because I normally don't have downtime anymore. I've been really proactive with a whole lot of stuff in my life that I'm trying to push forward. And so when I do have downtime, I like to read this book right here that I ordered off of Amazon. It's by G.L. Lambert, if I'm saying his name right, author of Whole Tactics. Sounds juicy, don't it? And this book is called Men Don't Love Women Like You. The brutal truth about dating, relationship, and how to go from placeholder to game changer. I really love this book. The whole idea of this book is really dope. You're looking for a really dope book to read, I suggest you go on Amazon.com, because that's where I got this book from. It's up here how much I got this book for. But I really do think it's a good read, even if you're in a relationship or not. Like, you definitely should check this book out. I think it's really decent, it's really nice, and it just definitely give you like a pretty much like a hand-in-hand playbook on how to carry yourself as a female, pretty much, and how to know your worth and things like that, you know. And you always need a reminder. So that's the reason why I decided to purchase this book. And so far I love what it's about, and I'm feeling it, and I'm definitely going to keep reading it. And if you guys want to update on this book, or if you're a YouTuber that's actually watching this video right now and you read this book before, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you really think about this book as well, because I really love it. I really love it. And it's crazy, it's easy to read kind of thing. Like, it's not like one of those books that's hard to read. If you're the type of person that just don't like reading, this book is not that hard for you to read. It's really easy, and I really think you bosses are gonna love it. So anyway, bosses, so that's pretty much covered it. That pretty much sums it up. So that was my 5th March favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And do not forget to turn on your notifications. Thank you so much for watching, bosses. Peace out. One love. Stay blessed.